everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nastazsa. If you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Also, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram and TikTok if you haven't done so as well. For today's video, I'm just sharing with you guys some of the more recent things that I have gotten for fall time. Believe it or not, fall is coming up quite quickly and I wanted to get a head start on getting some pieces for my fall decor collection and just kind of like building that up again. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you do, as always, give it a thumbs up, and without further ado, we can just jump right into it. All right, so the first thing that I wanted to share with you guys, I actually stopped back in to the restoration hardware outlet. Believe it or not, I've actually been finding like so much stuff there and having such success, and everything that I've been finding has been so affordable. I think like literally only one thing I got was like over $100. Like everything has been really cheap. I definitely think they went through and lowered their prices. I know I mentioned before how I was like, you go in here and stuff is still expensive. It is still expensive, don't get me wrong. I saw this like beautiful chair and I was like, oh my God, that's perfect. And it was $6,000 at the outlet. But I have been looking specifically for just like smaller pieces and just pieces that I can have in a fall collection, but I will have like year after year. So when I saw this little pillow cover, I was like, oh my gosh, this just screams fall. So I originally saw it, and obviously like this is what it looks like. It's just like a chocolate brown suede color. I was like, okay, this is like seriously beautiful. Like she's beautiful. Let me check the price. $40. I'm like, okay, that's like so affordable, especially for something like this of this quality. And then I flipped it over. Just wait for it. It's got this beautiful like turn lock detailing on the other side. How cool is that? So you can have it on this side with the detailing, or you can just use it regular. That I thought was perfect, and again, I didn't want to go too overboard or too crazy with adding to my fall collection, so that is the only piece that I picked up from RH that day. This is like the type of piece that you should get and like add to your collection, because again, this is gonna work year after year. It's not trendy or anything. It's just like a true fall staple. It's suede, got a nice texture to it. Love the detailing on the other side, and I can't believe it was only $40. So I was so excited when I found that. All right, and then before we hop into the thrifted decor, I wanted to share with you guys my fall FabFitFun box. Super excited about this. If you guys haven't heard of FabFitFun before, it is amazing. FabFitFun is not just a box, it's a shopping club, and it will give you access to member-only discounts year-round and helps you save money while shopping. This is my box for fall, and you actually get a customized box 4 times a year, which is super exciting. So you get fashion, fitness, wellness, and home products, and everything is full size in here, so I'm super excited to share it with you guys. And then when you are a member with FabFitFun, you also get access to like flash sales, which is super cool. And you actually have the option to swap out your box for store credit if you just want to shop with store credit. But I'm excited to share with you guys my fall box. I have not opened it. I wanted to open it with you guys on camera just to see everything that is inside. So this is going to be a surprise for both of us right now. So I absolutely love the color of the box. I think it's super cute. I always like to reuse these boxes too to like store things around the house. And I love that their packaging is like all recyclable and they don't like have excess like waste in packaging. Oh my gosh, I'm already seeing like all of my favorite brands at once and it's a little overwhelming. Oh my gosh, okay. So the first thing that I got are these Love AJ earrings, and these are seriously perfect. Oh my gosh. Let's do a little close up here so you guys can see how just beautiful these are. As you guys can see, these are just like the most beautiful silver earrings. I cannot wait to add these to my ears. I've actually been wanting to get a few more piercings and have like the double hole, so these are going to be perfect for that. Next up is one of my absolute favorite brands. This is obviously a non-toxic beauty brand, which I love. This is the Nastazsa body lotion. This stuff is amazing. Even though it's fragrance free, it like it still has like a fresh scent to it. It doesn't like smell like weird or anything. So this is seriously very lightweight, very moisturizing, and I can't believe it's in here because this stuff is not cheap. All right, and then next up is this hand and body wash from Cusio Somatology. I'm not sure I've heard of this brand before. So I'm gonna give it a smell, but it says that it's sandalwood and sage. and it's a cleansing self-care ritual made to help calm the senses. So this is what it looks like. I love the packaging, very minimal and simple. And now we're gonna give it a smell to see what it smells like. Just open this up right here. Wow. Okay, this is like my perfect scent. Now I see something that everyone has. Like, I am the only person on the world who's never tried Summer Fridays. I don't think I've ever tried anything. Maybe I've tried a product like years ago when they first came out, but I've never tried the lip butter balm, and I've wanted to for so long. Oh my gosh. I'm putting this on right now. Like, I can't wait until the video's over. Sorry guys. Oh my God. It smells so good. And it's so like fresh on the lips. It's not sticky at all. Another thing that you guys will probably think I'm crazy, I've never tried anything from Fenty Beauty. So yeah, I can't wait to try this when it's like my full makeup routine. Love that. And then Alice and Olivia, I'm seeing an Alice and Olivia tag, which is one of like my favorite brands. How cute is that? Look at the shape too. It's like longer and shorter, so trendy. It's got these really great handles. This is going to be my new beach bag because I definitely do not have one currently. Wow. This was a really good FabFitFun box. You can get 20% off your first box with a new seasonal membership if you use the code Nastazsa. So a huge thank you to them for sponsoring today's video. All right, and then the rest of the decor that I'm sharing with you guys for today's video is from the thrift store. And my biggest tip is to like get to the thrift store now, because once we're like fully in fall season, none of this good stuff will be out there. I only got a few things, but everything I got is like perfect fall decor. Again, I know I'm gonna have this year after year, very timeless pieces. So I like to get a few things at the thrift store like early so I can beat everyone and get the good stuff. So the first thing that I found is just this oil lamp. I saw this and I was like, oh my gosh, it's actually like in really good condition. They actually just changed the like little lace wick that it has with it. So it was very clean too. So I was like, oh my gosh, this would be perfect. And to be completely honest, I don't even know if I'm gonna use it and like burn it like the oil lamp. It just looks like a good piece of decor just to have out. Again, very rustic and vintage looking and perfect for fall. And then next up, I was looking for something to stack on top of like my coffee table books. I was like, I need to like add something just to like make it scream fall in here. And I found the perfect piece. So this is literally a hand carved like little wood box that I found, and like the detail on it is crazy. Like the details are just insane. Like when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I love. And then it actually has like a lid. The only thing is the lid is a little like difficult to open, but actually it came off quite easily right there. And it's just lined with the felt liner. Another cool thing about it was they put the felt liner on the bottom too, so it's not gonna like mess up your decor. This is like literally perfect, and all this stuff was like so affordable. All right, now you guys may or may not have seen this vase in my last video. Got this at the thrift store. It was such a good deal. It rang up 50% off. Can't beat it. And then I got these like little faux little pears from a floral, and I like put this together, and this combo, guys, are we seeing this combo? Like this combo is insane for fall. So I cannot wait. I don't want to like reveal my dining room yet, but once I do, you guys will see that I'm just planning on having like this. I'll back up so you guys can see like the full effect. This on top of like my dining table just as like a centerpiece. Like how perfect do both of these go together? Like literally loving this combo, so excited about it. And then I'm like, you know what? I need like another piece like that to kind of like tie everything in my home. Like I hope I find something. Boom, found this. How perfect is this candle holder? She's vintage, she's perfect, and she's beautiful. And I love the fact that she's silver and the other thing is brass, because we've got a little like mixing of the metals, which I love. So I don't have candles yet to show you what this will look like with candles. I saw someone get these really cool like spiral detailed candles at Michael's, so might head on over there after this video and pick that up. But if you guys want to see like a decorate with me for fall, let me know in the comments down below. As always, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Again, a huge thank you to FabFitFun for sponsoring today's video. I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!